Measuring your cabinet is one of the most important things that we need you to do, and here are some tips for you to get started and measure correctly. So step 1, we need to measure the internal cabinet width. Just place your tape measure on the inside to the wall and measure to the edge. Preferably don't measure at the bottom where you'll be required to bend up the measuring tape, which won't give you the most accurate measurement. The second thing we need you to do is measure the depth. We're going from the back of the cabinet to the front edge. Please don't measure the shelf because sometimes the shelf can fall short of the actual cabinet depth. The last thing we need to know is the door obstruction and the hinge block. This is really easy to measure. Just place your tape measure against the cabinet wall and stop where the door is protruding into the opening. Most of the time it's 10 millimeters, but it can vary. While you're here, just note the hinge block thickness, and it's commonly around 25 millimeters, but again, it can vary. If your hinges are particularly thick, it's okay because the basket can be positioned above or below the hinge block. So if we can get those measurements from you, we can get started and find you the right solution.